In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a dashboard using Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com, a powerful tool for project management and tracking progress. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Pipeline homepage on the Pipedrive platform. This is your central hub for setting up and managing various elements of your projects, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with this space. Once you're there, look for the option to create a dashboard. If you already have a dashboard set up, you can skip this step. Otherwise, click on the Create Dashboard link to get started with a new one. Keep in mind, dashboards are great for visualizing your progress and getting insights at a glance, so spending a bit of time here is worth it. If you're creating a dashboard from scratch, think about what insights are most valuable to you and your team. Now, assuming you have your dashboard ready or a pre-existing one, take your cursor to the Goal tab on your dashboard. You'll notice a set of three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to view additional options related to goals. Once you've accessed the additional options, you'll want to focus on the Goal option. Clicking on this enables you to start setting goals based on your priorities. Goals are crucial in tracking progress and ensuring that you're on the path to achieving your desired outcomes. After selecting the goal you'd like to focus on, your next step involves choosing the metric on which you want to focus. In this case, you'll select the option that allows you to set goals based on the number or value of won deals. This is essential for those keen on measuring success through tangible results like revenue or deal closures. Now, when you have selected your metrics, it's time to click on Continue. This action will take you to a new page or section where you can input the specifics of your goals. You'll now need to type in the specific value of the goal you want to achieve. For instance, if you're aiming for a particular sales target, this is where you enter that number. The accuracy of this number is important for realistic tracking, so ensure it's aligned with your overall business objectives. Finally, with your goal value set, you just need to click on Save to lock in your settings. Saving your information ensures that your dashboard will reflect these new targets, and all data moving forward will be gauged against these set goals. And there you have it. Your dashboard is now set up and ready to help you track your goals effectively on Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you get the most out of your Pipedrive experience. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy tracking!